Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to your PayPal, right? So let's get into our PayPal mobile application here. This is my home screen, and if you want to add a bank account, it's very easy to do it. You have to just go to the manage, right? So, and by the way, all the instructions are exactly same if you're opening this your account over the website, right? So here you will see this option under the manage bank accounts and cards. So I will just click on add now, then you will get the two options, bank account and debit card, credit card, right? I will just click on bank account, and here it will ask me to go to our website, right? So yeah, I will just click on go to our website and it will redirect, and I have to log in into my PayPal account, right? So I will just log in it right now. Let me pause. So guys, I am in the website, and to add a bank account, on the top right there is a menu bar. Just go there. Now here we will get this option of pay and get paid, right? So just click on that, and here the option is bank and cards. Now just click on bank and cards, and it will load for a few seconds here, and let's just wait. And here we will just get option to link a bank account. Click on link a bank account, right? By the way, you can just directly go to the website and create it, right? And here we have to enter the IFSC code and the bank name, and the details are everything here. So once you add, right, PayPal will send one cent or 1 rupee to your bank account to confirm that it's your the information is correct or not. Once they confirm it, it just happen in few hours. Then after that, your bank account will be active and you will able to do the transactions. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.